Have you ever tried to imagine what it would be like to be something a million times smaller than a grain of sand? To live not just in a world, but inside the very fabric of a living thing. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing something a little different, a special video for my Bio 110 Ambassador program. We're going on a thought experiment. What if, for the next few minutes, you were a mitochondrion? Let's set the scene. This is a bustling world inside one of your liver cells. And right here, this bean shaped thing, that's our star today. Most textbooks call it the powerhouse of the cell. That's true. But it's like calling James Bond just a government employee. It misses the cool secret part. So let me give our star a voice. Hey everyone, I'm Mitty the Mitochondrion. So, what does a day in my life look like? Well, it's a 24/7 operation with two full time jobs on opposite ends of the spectrum. Job number one, the one I'm famous for, is all about creation, creating energy. I run a continuous high efficiency factory, but it's not a loud, smoky industrial plant. It's more like a silent, immaculately clean nanotech facility. My inner folds, the shelves, they're where the magic happens. This is where we take the raw materials of life and turn them into its universal currency. The main fuel. Think about the last piece of bread or fruit you ate. The sugars in them, like glucose, get delivered to my doorstep. Through a process called secular respiration, we don't just burn it like a simple fuel. Oh no, that would be wasteful. We dismantle it with sugary precision, step by step, in a cycle. It's like taking apart a complex, energy rich Lego model, carefully extracting the chemical energy stored in each bond and converting it into a portable, usable form. And the end product of this entire assembly line is this molecular marvel, ATP. Think of ATP as a fully charged microscopic battery. Every single one of the trillions of cells in your body runs on these batteries. That thought you just had? A few million ATP batteries discharged. That blink? A few thousand more. I am the charger for your entire secular universe. Now, such a precise factory needs perfect workers. And mine are these incredible proteins called enzymes. Each step of our respiration line is managed by a specific enzyme, a specialist molecule machine. They're brilliant, but they're also delicate. They have a perfect shape for their job, and that shape is everything. I had a real aha moment about this in a virtual lab simulation. We were testing what happens to biological processes when their environment changes. We tweaked the temperature, and the results were crystal clear. At the ideal Goldilocks zone, the enzymes hum along, and the factory output is max. But raise the temperature just a bit too high, and you see the efficiency plummet. Why? Because that extra heat energy physically jumbles and warps the delicate enzymes. We call this denaturation. It's like melting the keys of a piano. They're still there, but they can't make music anymore. So, when you're running a fever or feeling utterly drained, it's not just the virus fighting you. Part of that exhaustion is literal. My entire production line, and those in cells all over your body are slowing down because the workers are getting scrambled. Your internal power grid is experiencing a brownout. Now, what if I told you that this incredible powerhouse, this source of war energy, also holds one of the cell's most critical and secret switches, the switch for self destruction? This is my other full time job, one that's absolutely vital for life as we know it. Think about it. What happens to a cell that's badly damaged, hijacked by a virus, or simply in the wrong place at the wrong time? If it stays, it could become a liability, even a danger, like turning into a cancer cell. So, the body has a neat, clean disposal system called apoptosis, or programmed cell death, and I'm right at the heart of it. Here's how it works, step by step. It starts with a molecular death signal. This signal reaches me and flips the first switch. It disables a safety protein that acts like a brake. Let's call it the brake protein. With the brake off, another protein, the starter protein, gets activated. This triggers a perfect, irreversible chain reaction, a cascade of executioner enzymes called capaces. It's like pushing the first domino in a line. Once it starts, it cannot be stopped. The cell then shrinks, packages its own content, and is neatly digested by immune system. No mess, no inflammation. It's a sacrifice for the health of the whole organism. So, from powerhouse to executioner, that's the hidden double life inside you. Thanks for joining me on this microscopic journey. A big shout out for Bio 110 for the inspiration. And here's the video thoughts. Thank you so much and stay curious.